In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a discount on a Xero invoice in our full 2025 guide. Whether you're offering a limited time promotion or consistently providing discounts to your customers, displaying this information clearly on your invoices is crucial. So, let's dive into the process and make sure your customers can easily see the savings they're receiving right on your invoices. First things first, you want to navigate to your Xero account and access the invoice you plan to edit. If you're not already logged in, head over to your Xero dashboard and find the specific invoice that requires adjustment. This will likely be found under your sales or invoices section, depending on your Xero version. Once you have the invoice open, the next thing you'll need to do is pay careful attention to the price field. Here, it's important to know that you'll have to enter the pre-discounted price, which is the original amount charged for your product or service before any deductions are applied. Make sure to double check this amount to ensure accuracy, as any discrepancies could lead to customer service headaches down the line. Now it's time to factor in the discount. Look for the column heading labeled DISC, short for discount. This is where you'll enter the discount percentage you want to apply. For example, if you're providing a 10% deduction, you'll simply type in 10. Be cautious as you type and remember that this should always be entered as a percentage, not as a dollar amount. Once you've inputted the discount percentage, Xero will automatically update the total invoice amount. The revised figure should now reflect the original pricing with a discount applied. It's a handy feature that ensures transparency and eliminates any guesswork for your customers. Before concluding, it's a good idea to quickly review the invoice in detail, including other fields like the description, customer information, and due date, to ensure everything is perfectly configured and error-free. This step, though seemingly minor, can significantly improve understanding and prevent a back and forth with the customer over invoice details. Finally, when everything looks great and double checked, don't forget to save your changes. Keeping your invoices updated helps maintain a professional appearance and clear communication with your clients. And there you go. Displaying a discount on a Xero invoice is that simple. With these steps, your invoices will not only reflect your pricing, but also effectively communicate the value you're offering to your clients. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy invoicing.